Hi everyone, in this episode we're gonna learn how to draw nose, and I've picked for you very average looking, very basic nose, and we're gonna focus on drawing it straightforward because I think it's just the easiest for beginners. And then we're gonna learn side profiles or like looking a bit to the side, but this is much more difficult just because noses are 3D structures and this is the part of your face which sticks out the most. Look at this. Like, this is very difficult to draw. That's why many people have problem with drawing noses. So yeah, let's get straight into it because you don't want to be like them. You want to know exactly what to do. So when it comes to the art supplies, you just need a piece of paper and a pencil. I used B, 2B, and probably 4B or something like this. You don't want to go too hard or too soft. I think 2B is a sweet spot. For the darker shades, we're gonna use 4B, so have it around. It can be 5B, it can be 3B, but don't go like 8B because it will be super dark, so remember about it. Okay, so first we're gonna start by drawing this circle in the middle, and this will be the tip of the nose. Then we're gonna draw those lines, which will be like our guidelines and symmetry lines, so that we know that everything is straight. Then we're gonna do those two smaller circles, which will be the nostrils, and we try to make them as symmetrical as possible. And now I am just measuring how high the height of the brows are. And I've checked on the photo, it's 2 times higher than the width of the nose. Next, I do those 2 triangular shapes that can help me to create the shape of the nose better. And last but not least, those 2 lines, which are like the sides of the nose, which we can't really see, and those will be in the shadow. This is a really important part because it says, it can tell you better where the shadow should be. And right now I will be starting shading from the bottom, and I am emphasizing where the nostrils are. So I am making it a bit darker there, and I emphasize the shape of it. And right now I am adding the shadow on the right side, and I try to do it lightly and very smoothly. This is basic shape, and right now I am doing the shading, which is sculpting a little bit, so it helps to make the drawing appear more three-dimensional. And right now I am also adding the shadow on the side of the nose, and all the time I am actually using HB pencil, and I try to not make too many super dark spots because then we'll go in with darker pencil, softer pencil, and we will make those darker places using that one. So just don't push this pencil too hard because it will leave the marks you won't be able to erase later on. Now I'm gonna keep on shading, and I will meet you later on. After I covered the entire drawing with H4 pencil, I've decided to erase some highlights using this eraser in band pencil, and it added this texture to it. And now I am adding the darkest shadows and emphasizes using this 4B and also 2B pencil. And it's very crucial actually. You can of course leave it as it was before, it was nothing wrong with that, but after adding those layers of pencil and different contrasts, it really adds to the drawing, and you can see it's something more. Right now you can see that the light source is on the left and the darker shadow is on the right side. So it really adds a huge value to your drawing and how your drawing is perceived. I think if you know the basics already, you should try adding those shadows and see for yourself, because I think it can add a lot of quality to your drawing and it will make it seem more special and put together and much more professional, let's say. Guys, I hope my video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider staying with me for a little longer, and I will see you in the next one very soon with the next tutorial and next video.